Day 11. Topic is rules. So, in life, I guess rules, there are the golden rules. Don't cheat, don't lie, don't steal. Basically, don't be a dick and be punctual and care for others. Be nice, decent human being to everyone. But other than that, for art or I don't think there are any hard rules, because if you ask 100 people, you would probably get 100 different answers on what art rules are. For me, I try to keep it pretty simple. I try to figure out what the loop is, right? If you can do, like, I can draw all day for 9 hours a day, and right, that's fine. You just got to figure out how to monetize that. But that's my loop, right? So for my loop, the rules are just show up, right? Get up, sit at your desk, get to work. Right? Maybe just getting up and sitting down at the thing that you're supposed to do is the hardest part. And then once you show up, usually takes care of itself. My day is structured like a three-parter. The hardest things are in the morning because that's when I have the most energy. Afternoon, you start to get into a slight malaise, but you can, I find my zen, my golden hours for work, and that's usually doing watercolor. Then after that, your energy's starting to dip, and you just finish out the day with maintenance. Whatever that maintenance for an artist is. You can do some light training, some digital stuff, some upkeep, some scanning. But yeah, there's no real hard and fast rules. Maybe that's the thing of life. It's fluid. Depends on the person, the circumstance, variables that we can't really comprehend. I don't know if that was helpful at all. That's the best I got. Rules on day 11. I'll see you next time. Take it easy.